How to use Indeed job search. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can use it. So for this, just simply open up the official website of Indeed jobs, and over here you will be able to find the option of job title and the place where you want to search that particular job. Suppose you are looking for a job in marketing, so just type marketing over here, and you would be able to see different roles for marketing like marketing executive, manager, fresher. Just select it accordingly. Suppose you are looking for marketing executive, then just simply select marketing executive. After that, you can either type a zip code for searching the location, or you can type the city or state name. Let me select a city over here, and after selecting that particular city and typing the job role, simply click on this option of find jobs and wait for it to load. And after that, you will be able to find different job roles over here. Now you can also filter this particular job details or job listings over here using these filters. You can filter it out using the pay option, and you can also filter it out using posted option. So you can see the listings from last 24 hours. This way your chances of getting into a job will increase, as you will be getting into a job which possibly might not have hired someone from this particular listing. So this way you can filter out all the job listings, and suppose you are trying to get into this particular role and you like it, just simply select it. After that, check out all the details on the right hand side panel, and you would be able to see different details about this particular job role and check out whether you fit into it or not. After that, just simply click on this option of apply, and it would ask some more information about you, and this way you would be able to apply for that particular job. And that's how you use Indeed job search. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.